Well, hello, good afternoon. My name is Dennis Wang, and I'm a Director for Product Management at Fiserv for Bank Solutions. And with me today is Scott Graff, Vice President for Technology at Commercial Bank Solutions. Today, we are so excited to talk to you about how Commercial Center Security provides financial institutions' business customers with a platform that's user-rich and is very user-friendly for all their business banking needs. Commercial Center Security is a secure browser that protects a customer's financial web session while providing a browser platform with expanded single sign-on capabilities to any other web application. Additionally, Commercial Center Security can be easily customized to incorporate proximity-based authentication and also voice capabilities. Scott will now demonstrate.
Hi, thanks, Dennis. I'm Scott Graff, Vice President of Technology at Fiserv, and we're doing some really cool, innovative things at Fiserv. We are working on the next generation of enterprise authentication, identity management, single sign-on, security and endpoint protection, malware mitigation, as well as multi-channel service delivery. So I come from a development and operational background, and my group at Fiserv is responsible for implementing quite complex solutions into sometimes very mature and sometimes not so mature banking production environments for corporate banking. So we're talking about identity-based management, we're talking about proximity-based authentication. Probably those two words could take the whole 7 minutes that I've got, but distilling that down into something quite simple. I have a wearable device, or I have a phone. In this case, I have a phone. I can authenticate to my phone, and simply by using the secured browser that's installed on my machine or on my tablet or whatnot, just by going up to it, it will go ahead and authenticate me. So I'm just going to approach this typical machine that's installed with the appropriate software or secure browser. Now, as that authenticates, there's a cryptographic message that's being passed between these two devices. It will go ahead and get me into session. There we go. So what's happening now is that the browser itself logged me in. Again, no passwords were ever put into the system, and I'm presented with a full white-labeled bank customizable screen. This is offline HTML5 content. It's dynamic. There's encrypted keyboard drivers. There's interstitial pages that are looking for form injection and all sorts of other cool things. This is production, by the way. This browser is deployed amongst many banks today. It's protecting a lot of commercial transactions. I want to go ahead and go into my application. I simply click. That is a single sign-on icon. That's going to put me into, in this instance, the Fiserv Commercial Center application, which is going to show me some of my transactions. I can go ahead and I can look through any things, do account transfers and whatnot. So that's really cool. Proximity-based authentication, I was able to jump right in, all good to go. What about the multi-channel service delivery thing I was talking about? Whether it's Cortana, whether it's Siri, we happen to have an Amazon Echo with us. I'm going to jump right in there. We're going to keep the screen right there. Alexa, ask Commercial Center, what is my daily summary?
Hello, Scott. I see you are authenticated through the mobile application. Please tell me your security code displayed within your app.
3575.
Your total account value is $791,495.05. You have one payments needing approval and 0 missed payments. You asked me to remind you of the wire payment due today to Dogwood Industries. Dennis from your local branch has accepted your meeting for 2 o'clock today.
Alexa, ask Commercial Center what needs approval.
You have 1 item pending approval. Item 1, account transfer for $23,546 to DNA loan account 1 created by Zorkel.
Nice.
Choose your action, approve, reject, next, cancel.
Approve.
Payment approved. No more payments to approve.
Awesome. So simply by going in here, looking at my payment activity again, you can see that something completely separate channel, that transaction was completed, again, using the same single device. Now, that's what we call dynamic identity. One device, many different channels, back-end systems. Commercial Center, in this instance, is sitting on the front end of a Fiserv core called DNA, but that necessarily, it's core agnostic through the system. So cool.
That's pretty neat. Thanks, Scott.
Something's missing.
Like what?
Well, I'm wondering if we couldn't take proximity-based authentication down into the branch.
Can it be done?
I don't know. Maybe if we transfer it over, we can check it out. So, in this particular scenario, I'm the cash manager, controller, I'm the person that deals with the money at an institution, and I got to go down to my branch.
Hi, I'm Dennis, your local commercial banker at your local branch.
Scenario being, I walk into the branch, and I approach
Hello.
the teller machine. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Because of the stage, the proximity is set to be very sensitive.
Okay. There you go.
Now, what just occurred, you got me, right?
Yeah. Hey, Scott. Hi, welcome back to the branch. Okay, I noticed that you're here for to pick up a cashier's check. Here.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Is there anything else I can do for you, Scott?
I think that's all there is today. I really
Excellent.
appreciate it.
All right, make sure to fill out my feedback form because, you know.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And as I move away, go, so what just happened there? Cryptographically, I just went to a teller machine. Wait a minute. I can go here, I can go there. So
You can go
it's
anywhere.
the same type of technology that's following me dynamically no matter where I am and authenticating me through a personal device or a corporate-enabled device.
Excellent. Well, Scott and I have only had a few minutes, actually 7 minutes,
we're out of
and time is coming up. So please come visit us at our booth and learn more about Commercial Center security and Commercial Center in general. Okay? Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful show.